Dubai, the land of limitless opportunities for business owners. A vibrant city of over 220 nationalities, where ambition meets action and leaders are born. Now, an extraordinary energy is imprinting of clarity, prosperity, and manifestation, guided by Himalayan Master Ashraf. From the Himalayas to the golden sands of Dubai's thriving business world, Master Ashraf's universal frequency empowers entrepreneurs, professionals, decision makers, and all kinds of strugglers to break barriers and elevate their energy to new dimensions. Through the world of Third Eye TWOTE Series Masterclass, countless business owners and individuals have experienced breakthroughs in mindset, manifestation, and measurable success. This is not just a workshop. It's a premium VIP experience where ancient Himalayan wisdom merges with modern success energy mastery. The TWOTE Premium Dubai Edition Workshop returns soon, right here in the Dubai mainland. Limited seats, infinite possibilities. Experience the frequency and vibrations where energy tunes and success manifests.